Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In these tutorials, we are going to learn more about Duda's widget. So, if you have started your website design with Duda, or if you have started learning Duda website builder, then this tutorials will be very helpful for you. Actually, this is special tutorials because widget help you to make your attractive, professional, responsive website. If you don't have good comment with widget, then you cannot make professional, responsive, eye-catching, attractive website for your business, for you or for your clients. Okay, so I hope you already understand the importance of these tutorials. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log in your Duda account. You can see that I have already logged in. Then you have to click on the My Dashboard. Then you have to select your website. Here is my website. I am going to click on the title of this website to go to the edit mode or edit option, and the edit mode loading. Okay, and here is the widget, and when we click on the widget, we can see that there are a lot of widget. Each widget has their individual feature, and we use each widget for individual purpose. For example, if we want to add any title or text, then we have to use this text widget. And if we want to add any before after images, then we have to add before after widget. And here is the image widget. It's used for adding any image in our website. Then spacer also so important widget. For example, we wanted to add a space in here. Just select this spacer widget and drag and drop it in here. Then you can easily make space and change the height as your wish. For example, I make the height 50 pixel, and you can see the live update. Okay, then if we look here, there is the popular widget, first text widget, image widget, icon widget. For example, we wanted to add any icon in here, then we can use this widget. Just drag and drop this icon here, then we can add any icon as our wish. Just change the direction, make it in the left, or we can make it in the right as our wish. Okay, we can also change the icon color from here. Icon color, make it red, looks here. Okay, then here is the call to action button. For example, we want to add any call to action button in here. Just drag and drop the call to action button, and we can add call to action button related text in here. For example, we want to add phone number and collage. Then go again. Here's the map widget. It's used to add map on your website. If you want to add any map on your website, then you can use this widget. Image slider for image to create slider image, media slider for video slider image, photo gallery, button. If you want to add any custom HTML code, then you have to use this HTML widget. And for any large title, you have to use this widget, large title h1. And here is the contract form. This widget basically used in the contract page. So I hope you understand everything very clearly. And when you start making any business website, then you can choose the widget under business category. Check here, call to action map, open table, email, contract from PayPal, restaurant menu, Yelp review, business hour, multi-location, coupon, online scheduling, Google Calendar, yes. And here's the social widget to add social icon or social feed on your website. And here's the advanced navigation link. And finally, the store relevant widget in here. So you have to touch in each widget to know more about this widget, what actually it's doing on your store. So I hope you understand everything about the widget, and I wish you will play around with this widget to learn more deeply about this widget to make a professional website in Duda website builder without any coding, without any previous experience. And the more you playing around with this widget, the more you will learn. So this is very common. So my recommendation for you, just start making a website, play around and learn everything step by step. That will be easy for you. So I hope you understand everything very clearly. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any support service relevant to Duda or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.